cultivation technology and standards of components of integrated button mushroom unit, protected production under NHB scheme, National Horticulture Board, Department of Agriculture and Cooperation, Ministry of Agriculture, Government of India. Now, consumer preference of white button mushroom is an integral part of our consumption pattern, and that is the reason why the production of white button mushroom has recorded a rapid growth. There is a rapid growth in the production of white button mushroom because it is an integral part of our consumption pattern. Button mushroom has widely grown as a part of cottage industry in winter season. Okay, in winter season the production of mushroom is there, but the high tech production of button mushroom has also gained some momentum. Okay, so cottage industry grows button mushroom during winter season, but high tech commercial production of the button mushroom have also gained momentum. Now, National Horticulture Board is extending the financial assistance for the mushroom production unit. There is inception of credit linked back ended subsidy schemes for mushroom production, okay, for the promotion of commercial horticulture, and this is causing the growth of mushroom industry in the India. Okay, there are back ended subsidy schemes for the mushroom production unit, which is controlled by National Horticulture Board. NHB have noticed with concern that number of the production unit have not been successful due to multiple reasons. Okay, number of mushroom production units have not been successful. So that is the why this discussion is happening, to avoid those multiple reasons, so that there will be a successful uh, production of mushroom. Now this bottom mushroom, button mushroom, which is also known whose scientific name is Agaricus spp, is the most popular mushroom variety which is grown and consumed world over. Okay, button mushroom is the most popular mushroom variety which is grown and consumed. Now in India the production of mushroom was limited to winter season earlier, but with the development in technology, the button mushroom is now produced all the year and all over the country. Now the production of this button mushroom happens in small farms, medium farms and large farms with different levels of technology. Now let's talk about the types of mushroom. Okay, now in India the commercially grown species of mushroom are button mushroom and oyster mushroom. Okay, these two are the most popular, and other tropical mushrooms include paddy straw mushroom and milky mushrooms. So these are the mushrooms which are commercially grown in India majorly. Now the concentrated production areas in India for mushroom production are the temperate regions for the button mushroom, and tropical and subtropical regions for oyster mushroom, milky mushroom and paddy straw mushroom. Okay, this oyster mushroom and milky mushroom and paddy straw mushroom, these three kinds of mushrooms are produced in tropical and subtropical regions of India, and in the temperate region of India there is production of the button mushroom. So button mushroom requires temperate region, and oyster, milky and paddy mushrooms require tropical and subtropical climate. Now white button mushroom production is about 85% of the total production in India. Okay, out of the total mushroom production in India, 85% is white button mushroom production. Okay, so people are consuming white button mushroom majorly in India. We are talking about white button mushroom. Now in India, the cultivation of white button mushroom throughout the year under controlled condition is restricted to few commercial units. So it means that in India there are only a few commercial units which are doing the production of white button mushroom throughout the year under controlled condition. It means that the cultivation of white button mushroom under the controlled condition is possible, and few commercial units are doing that. Now white button mushroom are also produced under natural condition in winter. Okay, and that natural production of white button mushroom is happening in the hilly areas and plains of North Maharashtra. So in North Maharashtra, in natural condition, there is production of white button mushroom. Now majority of the growers in India do not have a pasteurization facility and other specialized machinery for doing round the year production of white button mushroom. It means that if you have to do a continuous production of mushroom, then you need pasteurization facility and other specialized machinery to do that. And the thing is that majority of the growers don't have it in India. So they depend on natural, they depend on climate, and that is what is restricting the production. So button mushroom is cultivated seasonally, okay, when the climatic conditions are favorable. And if you are producing button mushroom in natural environment, okay, if you are producing it naturally, then the production expenses are minimum, okay, because you don't have simply buy this pasteurization facility and other specialized machinery and the cost of maintenance. You don't have to do that, and that is the reason why the natural seasonal cultivation of button mushroom is less expensive. Okay, production expenses are minimum, and you have to do it when the climatic conditions are favorable. Now there are many growers in Haryana which have revolutionized this cultivation of white button mushroom by adopting very simple and cheap technology for the construction of mushroom houses. Okay, so while doing the mushroom cultivation, you have to build this mushroom houses, and these people in Haryana have very simple and cheap technology to construct these mushroom houses. Okay, that needs to be considered here. Now the seasonal growing of this white button mushroom in Haryana and Punjab has many advantages, such as nearness of market, then easy and cheaply available raw materials, then utilization of family labor. So before starting the cultivation of white button mushroom, these advantages we need to consider: that the market should be near, then the raw material for the mushroom cultivation should be easily and cheaply available, and the labor should be also available there. Okay, so these are the points that we have to consider. Now many growers in Haryana and Punjab don't use compost which is prepared by long method. Okay, because pasteurized compost is readily available from the mushroom projects in Solam and Palampur. Okay, there are mushroom projects running in Solam and Palampur, these two places, which are giving you readily available pasteurized compost, and that readily available pasteurized compost you use in the production of the white button mushroom. So this is an important point to know. Okay, if you want to buy the compost for the mushroom production, then you should contact these mushroom projects in Solam and Palampur. Now let's see economic importance of this white button mushroom. Now these mushrooms are highly proteinaceous and healthy foods. Now this white button mushrooms are sold as fresh mushrooms. Okay, in vegetable market you go and you buy this fresh white button mushrooms, or they are canned in the form of soups, sauces and many food products. Okay, so these can be our market. Okay, we need to find which company is making the soup of mushroom, which company is making sauce of mushroom, which company is making any other food products from the mushroom, and that can be our customers. Or we can simply sell those mushroom in the market. Now these mushrooms are free of cholesterol, they have low sodium and high potassium, they have negligible sugars, they have high fibers, and they are only vegetables which are the source of vitamin D. Okay, so these are the health beneficial benefits of eating mushroom. Agroclimatic requirements. Now in India, these button mushrooms are grown seasonally, or they are grown in environment controlled cropping houses. Okay, so if you have to do through production of mushroom throughout the year, then you have to build these cropping houses in which the environment is controlled, and you set that environment according to the growth of the button mushroom, or you simply grow it seasonally. You have these two options. Now this white button mushroom requires the temperature of 22 to 26 degrees Celsius for vegetative growth, and it requires temperature of 16 to 18 degrees Celsius for reproductive growth. Okay, so for vegetation it requires a different temperature, which is 22 to 26 degrees Celsius, and for reproduction the white button mushroom requires a different temperature, which is 16 to 18 degrees Celsius. Now this white button mushroom also requires relative humidity of 80 to 90%, and it also requires enough ventilation during cropping. Okay, so these all environmental conditions are important while growing white button mushroom. That is temperature from 16 to 26 degrees Celsius. You should be able to maintain this temperature. Then you have to maintain the relative humidity also, and ventilation as well. Now seasonally, this white button mushroom are grown in winter months in the northwest plains of India, and for 6 to 9 months in the year on the hills. Okay, either they are grown on the hills or on the northwest plains. Now because of the modern cultivation technology, it is possible to cultivate mushroom anywhere in India. Okay, you don't have to depend on season or environmental condition. You have those modern cultivation technology by which you can cultivate the mushroom anywhere in India at any time. Now a grower can take up to 5 to 6 crops of this white button mushrooms in a year. Okay, in a year you can grow up to 5 to 6 crops of the mushroom. That is 5 to 6 phases on the same field, on the same mushroom house, and under controlled conditions. Now the factors that will affect the yield of crop both quantitatively as well as qualitatively are the type of strain which is used for the production, the incidence with the pest or pathogen, and the non-availability of pure quality of spawns. Okay, these three things will affect the yield of the crop. Okay, these three things you have to take in your mind before starting the production. Which type of strain you are using? You have to use the best strain. You have to find and use the best strain. Then you have to make a plan to control the pest and pathogens, and you have to deal with this non availability of pure quality of spawn.